Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my chocolate and white chocolate coconut balls. So let's get started. Today I'm going to make my homemade coconut balls. So in my bowl I need 2 cups of shredded coconut. They're like the coconut flakes. 2/3 of sweetened condensed milk. Now I'll add in the 2/3 of sweetened condensed milk. Now what I'm going to do now is mix this really well, and then I'll form it into balls, put it on my cookie sheet, and place it in the freezer for about an hour. For the sweetened condensed milk, it's almost the full can, the 14 ounces, that's what's left. I only needed 2/3. So now I'll get some gloves. I place some parchment paper on my baking tray. Now that it's mixed well, I'll form some into balls. Once I form them into balls, then I'll place them on my parchment paper. You want to make them the same size. You definitely want to wear gloves for this because they are sticky. It made 13 coconut balls. So now I'll place this in my freezer for about an hour. So into the freezer it goes. Before I take my coconut balls out of the freezer, I'll be melting some chocolate. And I just use one Hershey bar. It's a 7.56 ounce. So I'll melt that down. And I also wanted to make some white, so I just took some almond bark. And then I'll melt this down. So once this is melted, then I'll take the coconut balls out of the freezer. So into the microwave they go. So now I'll take the coconut balls out of the freezer. I'll place them on my counter. So I just took this out of the microwave. It's all melted. So what I'm going to do now is take some of these balls and dip them into the chocolate. Once they're coated with chocolate or the white chocolate, I'll place them back on the cookie sheet. You want to try to drip off as much chocolate as you can. Now I'll put this back onto my parchment paper. Once they're all coated with either dark chocolate or the white chocolate, I'll place them back into my freezer for about 15 minutes to firm up. The white chocolate is all melted. So I'll make some into white. So I have the chocolate and the white. Now I'll use my fork to get them out. I want to take off as much chocolate as I can. With my leftover chocolate, I'm going to take a fork and drizzle some over the white chocolate. And I'll take some of the white chocolate that's left over and drizzle it on the chocolate. So I'll put my fork in. It's not working out the way I thought it would. I'll sprinkle a little bit of coconut on top. That's optional. Now you'll stick this back into your freezer. So into the freezer it goes. So into the freezer for about 15 minutes. So I took them out of the freezer. They were there for 15 minutes. So now I'm going to put them on a plate. So now I have my plate out. So now I have them on my plate. Look at how good they came out. So now I'll give a try. Really, really good. These are really good. I like these. So now I'll put some saran wrap on top. I'm bringing them over to a friend's house. We'll be playing cards tonight, so I figured I'd make a little treat. But if you're going to store these, I would put them in an airtight container and leave them in your fridge. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my homemade chocolate and white chocolate coconut balls. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.